Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a clean with me on my refrigerator, just showing you guys the mess of it. Yes, I know, don't come for me, but yeah, let's get started. Hey guys, this is all the trash of food that I did throw out. So now I'm just going to spray the refrigerator down with that awesome. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna show you a quick Instacart haul real quick. I'm sitting down, so I don't know how good it's gonna be, but my body hurts. So I picked up this prune juice, Sunsweet prune juice, and I got 2 of the VA Splash tropical blends for fruit. We're trying to get a little healthier in the house. I picked up some blueberries. Well, I ordered some blueberries and some strawberries, which I should have got 2 of them because they look so good. Nice and red. And it's this brand, Red Blossoms. Let me know if you ever tried it. This haul is from a store called ShopRite. I ordered 2 of these sharp yellow shredded cheese. And then I wanted some salad just to try from there. So I got a Caesar salad, beef or bistro, 2 of them. Well, I got 1 of the Caesar and 1 of the turkey and bacon Cobb salad. Then we got two of the 18, the 1.5 dozen eggs, 2 of the Minute Maid orange juices. I got a gallon of milk back here. Oh, and I ordered silk milk. We needed ketchup badly. We was down. So I got 2 of the ketchups, and we didn't have no mustard, and I love mustard. I like the spicy one and the yellow one, but I had hot dogs the other night and didn't have no mustard. Just had a little bit. So I got this, and this is like 0 calories, 0 fat, 60 milligrams of sodium, 0 sugar. And then I wanted the hillside one, but they didn't have it, so they substituted for the Black Bear turkey Polish kielbasa. Gluten-free, sodium-free, no MSG added. Then we needed another sausage, so I did pick up this one, the Carolina sweet one. And down there is just ground turkey. Then I got this big old thing of oatmeal, because we're going to be eating a lot of those. Then I got a bag of the 50 links brown and served sausage that my mother is waiting on as we speak so she can cook it. And then we got some ShopRite baby Brussels sprouts, because, you know, we are trying to do a little bit better. TMI, life needed some more pads. I got 2 boxes of cereal. One is the Cheerios Honey Nut Cheerios for myself. I am trying to do a little bit healthier at night. I be craving snacks, so I'm just gonna go ahead and eat that when I need to. Then I picked up some Cinnamon Toast Crunch, not for me, for the mister. And then we got 2 fishes. We have the bag tilapia fish. I know what y'all saying in the comments. That's a man-made fish. Who cares? But it's good. So I got that one. And then I got whitings for the house. This is a 2-pound bag. Wild Cut Cape Gourmet. I really don't like whitings like that anymore since I tried tilapia. So, but I did get it. So that's it. This is all of what we got from Instacart at ShopRite. So yeah, guys, thank you. I'm gonna show y'all the refrigerator right now because I did pack everything in it. So did clean it out. So this is what it looks like now. That's chicken we're gonna cook tonight. So I cleaned everything and put it back in. This is what the door looked like. Rearranged it. A little bit more room, so yeah. You already know what to do. If you like what y'all saw, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And till the next time, ciao, Bellas.